You are inside an egg. It's dark and warm. Your father stands over you, freezing, and hasn't eaten anything for a week. And suddenly, crack. A crack. Immediately, extreme cold hits you. It's -60°C, and welcome to the hellish cold called Antarctica. Right after hatching, your father feeds you, but there's no taste, period. There's only protein-rich yogurt that comes from your father's esophagus, and you eat it until your mother returns. From the moment the egg was laid, your mother left on a long journey to find food and recover. After some time, she returns